Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Tutorial channel. Okay, I didn't want to waste any more time, and I want to very quickly show you guys the latest release from Hot Wheels. So this is gonna be very raw, even more raw than my previous videos. So yeah, 3 new release, so to say, from Hot Wheels that just arrived. All right, so what we have here is the twin pack. Okay, that's HBL96 Wave D. Alright, this is already the 4th wave of twin packs. I'll show you what is in there as well. This is GJT K Wave K. This is Boulevard Wave K already. And then what we have down here, this is one of the other interesting one, right? Which is the DMC Retro Entertainment Wave J. Okay. Yeah, because this is actually quite exciting for me, so that's why I thought I want to very quickly show to you guys what is it. Basically for the Boulevard K, right, we have already do an unboxing over on Facebook Live, so do look us up there. It's Collector's Cube, QUBE. All right, and then so here is what we get in a case of the Boulevard. Okay, 10 cars, complete 2 sets. All right, you get the we'll look into this in a short while. Okay, just a quick run through. Alright, just a quick run through. We look into this in a short while. I've gotten these out of the packaging as well. I have these loose that I can show you. And then the Retro Entertainment series. Now this is the one that kind of creates a little bit of a confusion. Quite a few of people around me, right, thought that this is under again another Fast and Furious series. Again, I thought it's already ended. So let's be clear on this, right? This is not part of the Fast and Furious assortment series. This is actually part of the Retro Entertainment series. I'm just gonna run through these. I do not have these out of the packaging yet because I want to check, because I only received a couple of these, so I don't really have enough to go around. So that's why I'm gonna keep in the packaging first, unless if I find out if they are all different, then I will open them out. Right, so this is the Dodge Charger 68. I believe this one, the difference is the rims. Okay, a different set of rims, same casting, looks like it's the same paint as well, with that brown stripe at the back. It looks the same to me. And then the Chevelle, this was, sorry, not the Chevelle, the Chevy Nova SS. Now this one has just recently released actually, so I do suspect the wheels are different though, but yeah, I need to go and check. Okay, I haven't got a chance to check it out yet. This is also not exactly new, but again, I don't know if it's exactly the same or there's some sort of difference, so I have to go and check it out as well. And then the Buick Regal GNX. Okay, this one I suspect the rims are different, but I think the car is exactly the same. Okay, right, that's a GNX, and this one is the other one that I suspect is exactly the same. So yeah, I want to check all of them first before I open these up. So in a case, we get 2 sets. All right, we get 2 sets. So that's the 2. Now this is the one where maybe I've not unboxed this in my previous video, so let me just run it to you. I have a sealed case here. Okay, so what you'll get in a case, right, case of 8. All right, case of 8. Oh, speaking of which, so Boulevard is from Thailand, twin pack is from Thailand, the retro again is from Indonesia. So this would be my second week of release from Indonesia. So right now what we learn is pop culture series and also the Retro Entertainment series will be from Indonesia, while Boulevard, car culture, and twin packs will be from Thailand. Okay, so what you'll get in the case, right, 2 Night Riders, 3 Fairlady, and another 3 I'm gonna call it Group B. I suspect it's Group B because of the Lancia and the Audi Quattro, but basically both are rally versions. Okay, all right, so that is the cars that we have. Now I have already got them out of the box right here, and I have the cards over there. Sorry, that is quite messy, but I want to bring this video to you as soon as I can. And yeah, I think you guys don't mind as long as you can see the cars very clearly, right? Okay, so do let me know if you have any feedbacks or anything. I would like to hear from you guys. Oh, do hit that like button, okay, because that will help me out on the YouTube algorithms. All right, so we have already got them out of the cart. Five cars, 46 all the way until number 50. Okay, so this is the one where there was the hype for this, the Datsun Brie. Okay, so as far as I can recall, this is only the third variant for this Datsun pickup. Very cute actually. I do quite like it. So I am collecting these. These has only appeared in premium so far, nowhere else. Not on only on Car Culture actually. JH3 first, and then Hyper Hauler second, and now the third one. Oh, look at that. So I do quite like that Hot Wheels has also improved a lot on their printing. We don't see a lot of that little dots, with like insufficient ink kind of thing. So that's nice. Okay, and then there's some stuff that comes in with it as well. Luggage bag. I don't know what else is the rest. Okay, there's a couple of things down there. Nice. It's actually very nice. Okay, so that's the Datsun pickup. Since this would be easily one of my favorite from here. Number 47, Land Rover Defender 90. Okay, now this one has its own very strong following as well, and I think quite a lot of people that came by here, right, will be looking for the black version. Okay, so again, nicely done from Hot Wheels. For how to say, low price point diecast, right? I think they're kind of punching above their waist. They're punching above their level. See, even the Land Rover logo up here, see, it's so sharp and crisp. Okay, all right. Even on the headlamps, the indicator lights, the fog lamps, they're all printed very nicely. You don't see them running out of line anymore. It doesn't run out of line as often as it used to, but I think it still happens on their mainline cars. Okay, all right. That's the Defender 90. Okay, and then next would be the number 48. This would be a new casting. This is something that got everyone excited as well. This is actually very, very cute. The Austin Mini pickup. This is the one. Look at that. This is actually very nice. Look at the paint as well. It's so shiny. And the Rally Monte Carlo livery in I'm gonna call this British Racing Green, dark green. Very, very cute. This is actually very, very cute. Look at that, and it feels like it's lowered and widened as well, same as the Datsun Sunny back there, the Brie. So actually, this set, I think it's actually very, very nice. Look at that. From the front, it's really like just like a Mini that it goes on rally, it's gonna bump around. It's just so nice. Very, very nice. Okay, that's the Mini. See all the printing, the branding as well. Is that Firestone? I see Firestone. Is that Agip? Yep. I don't know if I pronounce it right. That's Agip, and then that's Bell, right? I think that's Bell, not Shell. Okay, Rally Monte Carlo number 67. Cute. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. Okay, and then Lykan Hypersport. Now this is the only supercar, the only car that's in this set of release of 5 cars. So I believe this is the only second time they have used this casting, the Lykan Hypersport. I wasn't a fan of the red, but this one somehow does look, this black, right, does look very different. I was only okay with the red, only meh, but this black version, somehow, look at that ass, look at that, man. Hot Wheels being able to do this, man, this is really nice. Okay, I really like the dip dish rear wheels as well. That is pretty crazy, that's pretty deep. Okay, so I think maybe in the black you can see more angles to it, and this gloss of black. Yeah, gloss solid black. The I believe this is printed on. Okay, the tail lights, and look at that. It's just so good. Okay, the headlamps, the fog lamps. Yeah, even though it's printed on, right? Everything is sharp. Okay, I think I'm gonna park it backwards like that. Maybe the last one, since that's the only car in this 5 series. Next will be the Volvo P220 Amazon Estate. Okay, now this is also another very nice one. I believe this is the only second release of this. So come to think of it, right? Third variant. I think only this one has a lot of variant. Third variant, this one has quite a few. This is the first variant, second variant, and second variant. Okay. I think that's maybe one of the reasons why it made this Boulevard release so exciting. Look at that. Hot Wheels being able to do this. Hot Wheels being able to pull this off. Lowered. Okay, lowered. No camber. I think I'm still okay with that. No camber, lowered, tucked underneath the fender. Okay, look at that. And it rolls perfectly fine. Damn. Look at that. Look at the tail lights, the indicator lights. Okay, the fog lamp, the bumper. Very smart. Base as the chrome bumper. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I like it lowered and having, you know, the 5-spoke. It gives a modern classic kind of touch to it. This is very nice. Okay, I'm gonna park it in there as well. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's the Boulevard, and then we have the twin packs. Now the twin packs, I'm just gonna do a quick run through of them because I think what I'll do is I will try my best to locate the previous release, because some of this look like it's a exact repeat. Okay, it does look like it's an exact repeat, like the Lancia. Okay, but this time it's called a Lancia Rally. Is it called a Lancia Rally the last time around? Okay, maybe you should check this one out first, because I do have one in the card right here, and during live I've actually showed it. I have the loose version, but I don't know where is it. Okay, it's just deep somewhere. Okay, the Lancia and the Audi. All right, the Audi, we can confirm this is the first time this variant has appeared. Now this one, right, is basically exactly the same. Okay, exactly the same as the one that appeared two years ago. I remember this set appeared when we were kind of I think a couple of months into COVID. Yeah, into COVID-19. So this 2 years ago. Yep. Because I remember receiving this sets during the lockdown. Basically during the first lockdown. Or is it right after the first lockdown? Okay. Still a very nice set. Okay. So that's why last time it's called the Lancia 037. Okay, here it's Lancia Rally 037. That's the number actually. Lancia Racing at the back, Pirelli logos here and there. Okay. Oh, this was the first casting for the Audi Sport Quattro as well. Okay, this was the first casting. I don't know. This wasn't the first, but I don't recall how many were they. Right. So that's why this set, the Trail Climbers, was quite an interesting set as well. Okay, then we check out Audi Quattro. This is actually very classic Audi colors, the red, grey and black Audi Sport colors. Okay, is that a... Yeah, it's a Bilstein logo on the hood as well. That's nice. You know what, I'm just going to show you all of them now. If you want to see a comparison video, right, I'll try to get you want me to see a comparison loose versus the loose, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so again, this is another nice casting from Hot Wheels. It is very chunky. I think the real car is as well. Very boxy, very boxy and chunky, I'll use that word. Okay, It's actually very nice. There's Bilstein, there's Brembo, Pirelli. Nice metal base. Okay, this one, yeah, I do quite like, you know, without the back bumper. With some of the details exposed. Okay, so that's the, I don't know if I'm gonna call it right. I think this is a Group B ready. Okay, next I can show you the Fairlady twin pack. Okay, so this, we believe it's a repeat. Okay, from Japan Historic set number 2, I think. Okay, number 2, I think. So it does look like it's exactly the same, but I definitely need to check. I know I have this somewhere behind as well. I know I have it loose, but I have to go and dig for it. Okay, so same thing at the back. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, and then we have the Nissan Z Proto. Now this one came out in mainline just I think 2 or 3 weeks back. Okay, and now we have it in premium. Actually very nice. Actually very actually, this is actually quite nice, you know, in the size of Hot Wheels. I've only seen photos, a couple of them. I haven't really looked into it. I know that this car do exist, but Hot Wheels being, you know, doing this is actually very nice. Fairlady Z, very nice. Is that a single piece cover? Yeah, it feels like, yeah, it feels like this is actually a single piece. Okay, side mirrors, guys, side mirrors. Okay, Hot Wheels doing side mirrors. Nah, they hear you. Okay, headlamps printed nicely. The Nissan logo in the middle here, nice. Huge ass grille in front, that's nice. Very, very classic. Okay, Nissan logo at the back, Z logo at the back as well. Alright, so that's the Fairlady. Now the other one would be the Knight Rider. This is actually quite nice as well. But again, that's the thing, because these were out for some time already, the Knight Rider, in a retro entertainment series. So I don't know if they are exactly the same. Okay, and because I only know the theme song to the movie. Alright, so I know this is the main character. I didn't know about this. Because I was comparing them. Basically they're exactly the same car, just in different shade of color, different paints. Okay, so I was told that this is the good guy, and this is the evil guy. So both have his own mind, is it? Because I remember the car has his own mind, right? So I was wondering, this had his own mind also, is it? Please do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so there we go. There we go. So this one also, I see if I can try to locate my carded version, because this was quite some time ago, and at that time most of my collection, I keep it in the card. I I don't lose stuff. I don't lose my Hot Wheels like I do now. There was a time I was very much a mint and box collector. So yeah, times has changed, huh? Okay, so basically 3 new release from Hot Wheels. There you go. Do let me know, you know, if you want to see a video of me comparing the Lancia, the Fairlady, and also these 2 Knight Riders, because I do know most of my subscribers are actually you know, they don't exactly collect Hot Wheels. I think you guys more towards premium cars, right? Non-Hot Wheels, right? Do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so do look us up on Facebook as well. That's Collectors Cube, QUBE. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well, and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. All right, so that's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.